Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So here is the two big update about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 series. The one from the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which is the breaks cover with the dual rear cameras, and the second update is the Galaxy Tab S7 also passed by Geekbench just 2 days after the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus spotted by Geekbench. It's more compact brother, the Tab S7 also stop it by the platform. As you can see on your screen, this is some score. The slot was spotted bearing the SMT870 model number and managed it 4,509 point in the single score test and 12,945 in the multi-core department. The single core test is slightly above with the Tab S7 Plus managed, while the multi-core performance is in turn slightly lower than that of the plus-sized version. As expected, the Galaxy Tab S7 pack a Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with a 6 GB of RAM and run Android 10, and also believe it to come with 11-inch 120Hz refresh AMOLED display, 5G support, and 7760 mAh battery. So moving to the next big update, and it's the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus breaks cover with a dual rear camera. Last week we saw a render of the Galaxy Tab S7 which revealed its design, and today we are looking at the image of its Plus variant shared by One Leaks collaboration with a Pic2. The Galaxy Tab S7 Plus looks similar to the regular S7. The selfie camera is placed on the right side of the screen, as you can see on the screen, and around the back is the dual camera setup below, which is the S Pen stylus grow as well as the Samsung logo. On the right side of the Tab S7 Plus is powered button, volume rocker, and micro SD SIM card slot, and to the left are the pin to attach the keyboard accessories. At the bottom of the tablet is the USB-C port, and just like the regular Tab S7, the Tab S7 Plus also does not have the 3.5mm headphone jack. As expected, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is larger than the Tab S7. It is 285mm long and 185mm wide compared to the 253.7mm length and 165.3mm width of the non-Plus model. However, the Tab S7 Plus is similar than the regular Tab S7 with a thickness of 5.7mm, 6.9mm with the camera bump as well. While the Tab S7 will pick a 11 and 120Hz display rate, and the Tab S7 Plus will feature a 12.4-inch screen with the same refresh rate 120Hz. It will also pack a bigger battery, just near 10,000. It's 9,800 mAh battery. Both tablets recently passed through Geekbench, which confirmed by the Snapdragon 865 chipset under the hood, the 6 GB of RAM. Although there might be other RAM option as well that are yet to be confirmed. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video guys and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.